A tragic incident has rocked the Darwendale farming community after a 9-year-old boy was mauled to death by 4 dogs while playing with friends at Bon Valley Farm. Sabida mashoko arikuda panguva ino chinokuwa kunzi aiwa imbwa 4 panguva ino aiwa dzoya dziruma kusvika pakuraya a 9-year-old boy in Darwendale. Don't subscribe or like it on the bell icon. The Zimbabwe Republic Police ZRP confirmed that the fatal dog attack occurred on 17 July 2025 and identified the victim as Shilton Panganai. In a statement issued on Monday, August 4, ZRP spokesperson Commissioner Paul Yati said Shilton was playing soccer with other children when the dogs, suspected to be Boer Boers, escaped from their owner's home and chased the group. In quotes, the Zimbabwe Republic Police confirmed that Shilton Panganai, aged 9, was mauled to death by 4 suspected Boer dogs at Bon Valley Farm, Darwendale, on 17 July 2025, while playing soccer in the company of other children, said Commissioner Yati. He added that the dogs broke free from their enclosed and ran after the children, who scattered in different directions. The Zimbabwe Republic Police is now conducting full-scale investigations into allegations that the dogs went out of their owner's residence and went on to chase the children who ran in different directions. Shilton Panganai was then mauled to death at a nearby gum tree plantation, Yati said. According to police, Mark Masendeke Magede, the suspected owner of the dogs, has since been arrested. Commissioner Yati also confirmed that all 4 dogs involved in the attack have been put down by the relevant authorities under police supervision. He dismissed social media speculation that the case was being ignored, saying the Zimbabwe Republic Police reiterates that the case will not be swept under the carpet, as alleged on social media posts, and everything will be handled in line with the country's laws. Tomashwa arikuda panguva ine chitiko aiwa charwadza mafamilies akawanda after this 9-year-old boy aiwa arumwa kusvika pakufa nembwa. Pinda comment section medu mutudze mafungiro enyu mutudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like chatomba bell icon.